Hello friends, today's topic new record Titan crosses 3 lakh crore mark. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is service to society. Titan's company market cap crossed 3 lakh crores yesterday. It became only the second company from the Tata Group to cross this milestone after TCS. Titan is also the second company in the retailer sector after Avenue Supermart, that is D-Mart, to cross 3 lakh crore market cap. Titan's overall business continues to grow well. The demand for premium jewelry is increasing. Titan shares touched a new lifetime high today at around 3,430. Gold imports are currently at a 31 months high, which means that jewelry companies have imported large amounts of gold to satisfy their requirements. This means that there has been a good demand and sale for gold jewelry. Global brokerage CLSA continued with optimistic views on Titan shares and raised the target price from 3,948 to 4,029 per share. Now retail sector stocks. Titan Company approximate market cap 3 lakh 4,235 crore, that is 32% change in 2023. Avenue Supermart approximate market cap 2,49,859 crore and change in 2023 minus 6%. Trend approximate market cap 93,778 crores and approximate change in 2023 plus 95%. Jubilant Foodworks 34,975 crore is approximate market cap and percentage change in 2023 4%. Aditya Birla Fashion retail sector stocks and the approximate market cap 20,563 crore, percentage change in 2023 25% minus. A few months back, the board of directors of Titan had approved the acquisition of the entire stake held by the founder of jewelry company Cart Lane, representing 27.18% of Cart Lane. Titan increased its shareholding in Cart Lane to 98.28% from 71%. Yesterday, Titan received approval from the Competition Commission of India to purchase the stake in its subsidiary Cart Lane. Titan shares have been great wealth creator for a large number of people who have invested it for long term. Although it is a market leader in jewelry sector, it has only 7% market share as of now, so you can imagine the scope it has to grow in the future. Now coming to topic number 2 of the day, Tata Technologies IPO opened for subscription today. Due to high demand from its institutions and retail investors, the IPO was fully subscribed in the first 40 minutes itself. By around 1 p.m., the IPO was subscribed by 3.1 times. Still, 2 days are left for the IPO till 24th November 2023. The allotment will be extremely difficult. Only a few lucky people will get shares in IPO. However, if you want to see how lucky you are, you may apply for the IPO, and if you get the allotment, you can decide whether to hold or sell. Currently, the estimate listing price based on the grey market premium is 72% above the issue price of 500. So, investors who get the allotment will definitely make a profit at the time of listing. As per experts, the valuations appear to be cheaper than its peers Tata Elxsi, L&T Technology Services and KPIT. After the IPO, Tata Motors stake in Tata Tech will go down from 64.79 to 53.39%. If you have not yet watched our video on Tata Technologies IPO, you can check for the recent video and watch it. Now the title of the video is Tata Technologies IPO allot ಆದವರಿಗೆ ಬಂಪರ್ 60% ಲಾಭ ಬರುವ ನಿರೀಕ್ಷೆ. Now topic number 3. As per a survey by Bank Bazaar, which is an online portal for loans and credit cards, 2023 is the second consecutive year where mutual funds have overtaken bank FDs as the preferred investment. Following is a summary of the survey responses. Investment preferences: saving bank account 77%, mutual fund SIPs 54%, FD and RD 53%, stock market investments 43%, LIC and ULIP 43%, gold and other commodities 27%, PPF and EPF 27%, crypto 23%, real estate 19%. Inflation has been high all over the world in the last 2 years. Due to this, household savings has stagnated in India. Now reason for saving and percentage of people, emergencies 61% is kept, children expenses 50% is being spent, lifestyle upgrade 42%, travel 41%, retirement 38%, professional upgradation 26%, luxury spending 25%. Now at the end of the video, here is a question. As per this survey, main reason for investment was for emergencies. Do you have separate emergency fund? Yes or no, you may type. In case you are not the member of Dr. Bharath Chandra, Rohan Chandra channel, this is the time to subscribe. Press the bell icon. Send the video to all your friends. The video is good. Press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.